You're driving on a clear night. Which lights should you use if the national speed limit applies and there's a steady stream of oncoming traffic? A. Full beam headlights. B. Sidelights. C. Dipped headlights. D. Fog lights. Share your answer in the comments and let's see who has it right. The correct answer is C. Dipped headlights. Use the full beam headlights only when you can be sure that you won't dazzle other road users. If you're looking to ace your theory test, don't miss our books and other video lessons. Also, if you have learned something valuable today, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.